Bugungi darsimizda Cambridge 13 test listening analizini ko'rib chiqamiz va section 1 dan boshlashimiz kerak. Section 1 questions 1 to 10 instructionga qaraymiz. Write one word or any number debdi. Undan keyin South City Cycling Club haqida ma'lumot berdi. Example answer bizda company secretary bor Jim Hunter. Savollarni o'qishimiz kerak. Membership, training rights, first information haqida ma'lumotlar bergan. Prosta uni o'qishimiz kerak. Full membership costs $260. This covers cycling and something all over the USA. Bu qismda butun membership $213 ni o'ziga olar ekan. Bu cycling ya'ni cycling o'sha velosipedda uchishi yana nimadir cover qilar ekan. Bu tavsiyalar bo'ladi. Accommodation bo'lishi mumkin, food bo'lishi mumkin. Shunaqa narsada. Recreational membership costs. This time how much does cost of membership includes the club fee and something. Demak, bu cost of membershiplar club fee bilan yana nimadir o'ziga olar ekan. Insurance bo'lishi mumkin, yana nima o'ziga olishi mumkin. Equipment bo'lishi mumkin, yana nima shunaqa narsalar bo'lishi mumkin. Qisqasi, service bo'lishi mumkin, training bo'lishi mumkin, master class bo'lishi mumkin. Qisqasi shunaqa narsalar bo'ladi. The club kit is made by a company called club kitda qanaqadir spelling bo'ladi. Darxon degan kompaniya tomonidan qilingan. DARXAN deydi. Training rights, chance to improve cycling skills and fitness level, be speed about demak nomer bo'ladi 70 km/h deydi, masalan 100 km/h deydi. Ana shunaqa gaplar bo'ladi. Weekly sessions Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. meet at the qayerda o'xshashar ekan? Meet at the station, meet at the library, meet at the shop, supermarket. Ana shunaqa gaplar bo'ladi. Joy nomi bo'ladi. Saturdays at 5:30 a.m. meet at the entrance to the nimadir kirishda gaplashishar ekan. Console bo'lishi mumkin, library bo'lishi mumkin, hall bo'lishi mumkin. Qisqasi joy bo'ladi, lokatsiya bo'ladi bu ham. Rides are about an hour and a half. Members are often have to get afterwards. O'shandan keyin velosipedda uchgandan keyin birga nimadir bo'lgan. Breakfast qilish mumkin, lunch qilish mumkin, coffee qilish mumkin. Nimadir qiladida, meeting qilish mumkin, prosta kinoga borish mumkin. There's not always with the group of these rides. Demak, qismda bunaqa raydlarda, ya'ni yezdalarda, velosipedda yezdalarda guruh bilan nimadir bo'lmas ekan. Kimdir yoki nimadir bo'lmaysa ekan. Bitta odam bo'lishi mumkin, bitta narsa bo'lishi mumkin. Check and print on the website beforehand. Websaytda undan oldin nimadir tekshirib olish kerak, print qilib olish kerak. Nima print qilish mumkin? Timetable print qilish mumkin. Agar bu cycle o'tigan bo'lsa, mapni print qilib olish mumkin. Qoidalarni, procedurelarni print qilib olish mumkin. Bikes must have, ya'ni bayklarda nimadir bo'lishi kerak. Nima bo'lishi mumkin? Bayklarda fanarchasi bo'lishi mumkin, ana bo'lishi mumkin, first aid kit bo'lishi mumkin, birinchi himoya, ana bo'lishi ham bo'lishi mumkin. Shunaqa savollar endi qanaqadir aytib bo'ladi. Shunaqa qilib o'zingiz analiz qilib olsanglar, ancha foydasi tegadi. O'sha savollarga javoblarni topishda shunaqa qilishingiz kerak bo'ladi siz ham o'zingizni testlaringizni bajarayotganda.
You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear.
Skip qilamiz.
See that there is an example that has been done for you.
On
club. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Let's go.
Hello, South City Cycling Club.
Oh, hi. I want to find out about joining the club.
Right, I can help you there. I'm the club secretary and my name's Jim Hunter.
Oh, hi, Jim.
So, are you interested in membership for yourself?
That's right.
Okay, well, there are basically 2 types of adult membership. If you're pretty serious about cycling, there's the full membership. That costs $260, and that covers you not just for ordinary cycling, but also for races, both here in the city and also in other parts of Australia.
Races dedi, poygalar dedi. Races. Serious bo'lsang, shuni oldida faqatgina cycling emas, all over Australia bo'yicha racesni, ya'ni poygalarni o'ziga oladi dedi. Well, there are basically 2 types of membership. If you're pretty serious about cycling, there's a full membership, costs $260. It covers not just ordinary cycling, but also keyword of the races, both here and the city, also other parts of the Australia. Well, job races, ya'ni poygalarni o'ziga olar ekan.
Right. Well, I'm not really up to that standard. I was more interested in just joining a group to do some cycling in my free time.
Sure, that's why most people join. So in that case, you'd be better with the recreational membership. That's $108 if you're over 19 and $95 if you're under.
I'm 25.
Okay, it's paid quarterly and you can upgrade it later to the full membership if you want to, of course. Now, both types of membership include the club fee of $20. They also provide insurance in case you have an accident.
Insurance in case you have страховка o'z ichiga olar ekan. Insurance ham o'z ichiga olar ekan. Topamiz. Well, okay, it's paid quarterly. You can upgrade it later to full membership if you want to. Xohlasang o'zgartirasan. Both types of membership include club fee of $20. Demak, ikkalasi ham ikkita typdagi turdagi membership ham club fee ni o'z ichiga oladi, plus insurance ham o'z ichiga oladi mana. Accident bo'lib qolsa, o'sha bunaqa неприятный случай bo'lib qolsa, sizda страховканgiz ham o'z ichiga olar ekan. Shu uchun ham insurance bo'ladi javob.
So, we hope you won't need that, of course.
No. Okay, well, I'll go with the recreational membership, I think. And that allows me to join in the club activities and so on?
That's right. And once you're a member of the club, you're also permitted to wear our kit when you're out cycling. It's green and white.
Yes, I've seen cyclists wearing it. So can I buy that at the club?
No, it's made to order by a company in Brisbane. You can find them online. They're called Jerry's. That's JERRIZ. You can use your membership number to put in an order on their website.
O'z ko'rganingizda nima bo'ldi? Ko'pchilik vaziyatlarda nima qilish kerak? Aytganda yozib olish kerak-da, keyin spell qilganda to'g'rilash kerak. JARRI Jerry's yozgandim, Z dedi, o'sha uchun ham ES ni o'chirib tashladim, Z yozib qo'ydim, Jerry's bo'ldi. Ko'pchilik o'quvchilar nima qiladi? Ko'pchilik o'quvchilar mayli spell qiladi, hozir yozmayman deydi-da, keyin yozayotganda o'zi keyin ana bo'lib qoladi, shoshib qoladi, yozolmaydi. O'sha uchun ham birinchidan yozish kerak, spell qilayotganda to'g'rilab olish kerak, tekshirib olish kerak.
Okay. Now can you tell me a bit about the rides I can do?
Sure. So we have training rides pretty well every morning, and they're a really good way of improving your cycling skills as well as your general level of fitness. But they're different levels. Level A is pretty fast. You're looking at about 30 or 35 kilometers an hour. If you can do about 25 kilometers an hour, you'd probably be level B. And then level C are the novice.
Qisqasi 30-35 bo'ladi level A, 25 qilsang level B da bo'lasan. Level C novices deyapti, yangi bolalar, novichoklar deyapti. Bizga level C muhim emas. Mana o'qib olamiz. Level A is pretty fast. You're looking at 30-35 kilometers per hour. If you can do about 25 kilometers an hour, you'd probably be in level B. Bizga level B qiziq, 25 kilometr.
Who stay at about 15 kilometers per hour.
Right. Well, I reckon I'd be level B. So when are the sessions for that level?
There are a couple each week. They're both early morning sessions. There's one on Tuesdays, and for that one you meet at 5:30 a.m. and the meeting point's the stadium. Do you know where...
Stadium dedi, stadionda ko'rishar ekan. Stadium. Do you know where is it? Bir narsa raqib tashlaydi qisqasi. There are both early morning sessions. There's one on Tuesday. For that you meet at 5:30 and the meeting point is at the stadium. Do you know where it is?
That is.
Yes, it's quite near my home, in fact. Okay, and how about the other one?
That's on Thursdays. It starts at the same time, but they meet at the main gate to the park.
Main gate to the park dedi. Parkni anosida kirish qismida ko'rishar ekan. Gate dedi işte, bo'ldi. Javob gate. Topamiz. It's on Thursday, starts at the same time, but they mean at the main gate to the park. Ya'ni parkdagi parkka bo'ladigan main gate asosiy xodda darvozada ko'rishar ekan.
That the one just past the shopping mall?
That's it.
Past the shopping mall dedimi? Shopping mall.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10.
O'qib olinglar. Often have together afterwards nimadir bo'lar ekan, qanaqadir deyish bo'lsa kerak bu. There's always the group rights. check current must have.
Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
Let's go.
So how long are the rides?
They're about an hour and a half, so if you have a job, it's easy to fit in before you go to work. And the members often go somewhere for coffee afterwards, so it's...
Coffee afterwards. Coffeega uchishar ekan, birga coffee ichishar ekan. Okay. Members often have coffee afterwards. Demak, anundan keyin cycledan keyin coffee ichishar ekan birgalikda. Qani endi bu? Mana. So they're about an hour and a half. So if you have a job, it's easy to fit before you go to work, and the members often go somewhere for coffee afterwards. Coffeega chiqishar ekan.
Quite a social event.
Okay, that sounds good. I've only just moved to the city, so I don't actually know many people yet.
Well, it's a great way to meet people.
And does each ride have a leader?
Sometimes, but not always. But you don't really need one. The group members on the ride support one another anyway.
O'z ko'rgingizda leadering bo'ladimi dedi, boshlovchi bormi dedi. Not always dedi, doimo bo'lmaydi dedi, lekin kerak emas ham dedi. O'zing group memberlaring bir-birini support qiladi dedi. Well, that's a great way to meet people. And does each ride have a leader? Leadering bormi? Sometimes, but not always. Ba'zi vaqtlarda bor, lekin har doim emas. But you don't need really one. You group members on ride support one another. Qisqasi, support qiladi.
How would we know where to go?
If you check the club website, you'll see that the route for each ride is clearly marked.
Route, marshrout, route.
So you can just print that out and take it along with you.
Print that out, wrote out, and take it along with you. So check qilsang bo'ladi route-ni. Mana, how would we know where to go? If you check club's website, you will see the route. You will see the route for you will see the route for each ride clearly. Route-ni ko'rasan, mark it. So you can just print it out. Ya'ni o'sha narsani print qilib olib, o'zing bilan olib ketishing mumkin degan gap qildi. O'sha uchun ham route bo'ldi, marshrutni oldik javob qilib.
It's similar from one week to another, but it's not always exactly the same.
And what do I need to bring?
Well, bring a bottle of water and your phone. You shouldn't use it while you're cycling, but have it with you.
Right.
And in winter, it's well before sunrise when we set out, so you need to make sure your bike's got lights.
That's okay.
Lights. Anasi bo'lish kerak, sveti bo'lish kerak, aytganimdek. Aytdim shu sveti bo'lish kerak deb. Chunki logistikada o'tda mantiqiy o'ylab ham javoblarni topsa bo'ladi. Bike'da nima bo'lishi mumkin? In winter, it will before sunrise we have to set out. Damn it, it's well before we have to set out. So you need to make sure your bikes got lights. Demak, lightlari bo'lishi kerak, svechalari yonishi kerak.
Hey? Well, thanks, Jim. I'd definitely like to join. So what's the best way of going about it?
You can...
Whatever. Muhim emas bizga bu qism.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Rahmat. Javoblarni tekshirib olinglar. Spellingda xato bo'ldimi, bir narsada xato bo'ldimi? Hamma narsani javoblarni ko'rsatdim, spell qilib tashladim, underline qilib tashladim, qisqacha hamma narsani tushuntirishga harakat qildim. Muammo bo'ladigan bo'lsa, tarjima qilinglar, o'rganinglar, vocabularylasanglar bo'ldi. Vocabularylasanglar normal bo'lib ketadi. Section 2 ga o'tamiz endi. Section 2 o'z ko'rganingizdek question number 11.